Welcome to our tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Kompa Zouk drum loop in just a few minutes. I'll be using FL Studio, but you can follow along with any DAW. First, let's talk about samples. To make any beat sound authentic to your desired genre, it's crucial to use high-quality samples. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Richstar Zouk sample pack from Richstar. The first step is to set our BPM or tempo. For a slow Kompa Zouk feel, the ideal tempo ranges from 77 to 85 BPM. I'll set it to 80 BPM for this tutorial. Next, we add our instruments to the step sequencer. Remember, a Kompa Zouk instrumental drum loop sounds best when you combine kick, rimshot, conga, hi-hats, cowbell, and toms. These are essential for creating the drum loop. First, add the kick. Play it in a 4x4 step pattern. Next, drop in a rimshot or any percussion that sounds similar to a rimshot or wood stick. Avoid using snares as they don't quite fit the style. After that, add a low conga. Play it like this, ensuring you leave space for other percussion elements. Don't overcomplicate it. Then add another conga, this time a high conga. Place it like this and duplicate it throughout the bars while maintaining the space. Now it's time to add the cowbell. Make it sound like this. Next, add the hi-hat. Match it with the rimshot steps. Make a few adjustments to add variation while keeping the vibe. Lastly, add the tom, specifically a Zouk low tom. Place it so it sounds once every 8 steps. And that's it. Before we switch to a full song to hear how it sounds with other instruments, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Now, let's listen to our drum loop with the other instruments.